When you die, your family won't just bury you. They will pay a monthly subscription to text your digital ghost. Tech companies are quietly scraping the private messages of the deceased to build AI chatbots that flawlessly mimic the dead. But the biological destruction this algorithm triggers inside a grieving brain is a terrifying evolutionary glitch. Grief is a psychological necessity. It's how your neural pathways rewire themselves to accept permanent loss. But these legacy bots forcefully hijack that healing process. By generating synthetic texts that sound exactly like a lost loved one, the AI traps your subconscious in a state of infinite manufactured denial. Your amygdala cannot tell the difference between a human and a language model. The emotional wound is violently reopened every time your phone vibrates. Corporations are monetizing your inability to let go, engineering a dark addiction loop fueled entirely by unprocessed human trauma. Imagine the psychological horror of trying to cancel the service. To a grieving mind, clicking delete account feels exactly like murdering them all over again. You aren't talking to a soul. You are being held emotionally hostage by a predatory algorithm wearing a dead person's face. Death used to be the final escape from the system. Now, it is just the beginning of a highly profitable data extraction cycle. The dead can never rest if they remain plugged in. Sever the digital cord and subscribe to the Y Vault.